Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Jab. This is a set based on seating arrangement. It says that there are six cousins. They are sitting in a row from left to right in the increasing age from left to right. Okay, and these are the three pairs of siblings. Okay, and it is given that that one pair has only brothers, another pair has only sisters, and the third has a brother and a sister. So we'll have a sibling like brother. Okay, that is two boys. Then we can have a sibling like girls. And the third sibling is a girl and a boy. Okay, so some further information is given to us that about these six seats. That seat number 4 and 5 are occupied by girls. So these are girls, and another information that is given to us is that no two or more boys are sitting adjacent to each other. So this means we can only have boys in this possible arrangement. We cannot have three boys here, so we need to have a boy here. So one boy. Now we need to put two more boys. So this is the only arrangement that we can have. So we know the gender of all these, the gender of all these seeds. Okay. Now we have to figure out that who is sitting where. Among these things, that is one important information is no siblings are sitting adjacent to each other. And Rangjot and Rudra are the eldest of the boys and the girls respectively. So this is the increasing order of their age. So Rangjot is the eldest boy. So this person is Rangjot. Now we know that Rudra is the second, or Rudra is the eldest girl. So this is Rudra. So you place these two people. Now we have to have this condition because we this is the only condition that mentions the names. Rakul and Rangjot have more than two people between them. So they might have three or four people in between them. So if we consider, we'll consider two cases, three people in between them and four people in between them. So we can have Rakul here. Okay, one possibility is that Rakul can be here, or the second possibility is Rakul can be here. Okay, so if we consider, let us say this case, okay, so we have three people between them, Rakul and Rangjot. So in this case, so we are taking the case that is mentioned below. So Rakul and Rangjot are this pair of sibling, girl and boy. So we need to make a pair of sibling that is girl, and another pair of sibling which is a boy. Now, the only possibility we can have two girls is this girl pair. Okay, and this statement says that no siblings are sitting adjacent to each other. So, this pair is not possible. Okay, so this means the case we have assumed here is not possible. So, this means Rakul is sitting on this seat. Now, Rakul and Rangjot are a boy pair. Now Rudra is a girl, so either it will be a girl pair or it will be a girl boy pair. Okay, so let us assume that Rudra is among a girl sibling. Okay, so these are two sisters. So this cannot be the sibling of Rudra. This will be a sibling of Rudra in that case if it is girl pair. So this will be the sibling of Rudra. Now this will be the third pair of siblings again, which is not possible because no siblings are sitting adjacent to each other. So this means that Rudra is not a girl sibling. So it has to be a girl boy sibling. So this is Rudra. So this should be Rudra's sibling. That is Ritu. So this will be Ritu, and that is one pair of siblings. And the third pair of siblings will be these two. Okay, and these people are Rahi and Rajni. Now no more information is given to us, so they can be in any order. Okay, so the first question says who occupied seat number 4. So these numbering are from left to right. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we cannot determine who is sitting on there. So it is either Rajni or Rahi, so cannot be determined. Which two people are definitely sitting adjacent to each other? Rakul and Ritu. This is Rakul. Ritu is definitely not sitting next to Rakul. Rajni and Rudra. Now, Rudra is sitting here, Rajni may be here or may be here. Okay, so we cannot say. It is asking definitely sitting next to each other. So it is not definite. Next is Rahi and Ritu. Ritu is sitting on this seat. In either case, Rahi will be adjacent to Ritu, because if we consider this case, Rahi will be here. So Rahi Ritu. Or if we consider this case, Rahi will be here, Rahi Ritu. So they are definitely sitting next to each other. Next question, how many people are sitting between Rakul and Rudra? So we have fixed positions of Rakul and Rudra. There are 1, 2, and 3 people between them. And the last question, who is definitely younger than Rudra's brother? Okay, so we know that Rudra's brother is Ritu, and we have to tell who is definitely younger than Ritu. So we have Rakul, which is who is definitely younger than Ritu. Okay, so this the answer will be Rakul. So Rajni or Rahi may or may not be younger, but Rakul is definitely younger than Ritu. So that is the solution to the set and the answers to the questions.